Hello friends, welcome to my channel Helping Hands. Today I will tell you about iteration or looping statements. So let's start. Iteration or looping statements. Loop. First I will tell you the definition of loop. If a part of a program is executed again and again till the given condition is true, to get the desired output. It forms a loop. Now types of loop. First one, finite loop. A loop which terminates after finite number of steps is called finite loop. Example, terminates here means that as soon as the condition becomes false, it goes out from that loop. Now example, for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Here there are semicolon. Now system dot out dot print ln I. Now friend, when it will become the value 1, then here 1 will be printed, and then as here it is written print ln, so the next cursor will come to the next line automatically, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Like this you will get the answer. Now the second one, infinite loop. The endless loop or the loop that never terminates is called infinite loop. Means here the condition doesn't become false anytime. Now example, for int I is equal to 1, I greater than 0, semicolon I plus plus. Here system dot out dot println I. So friends, here you can see as it will start from 1, then after 1 space then it will become 2, then 3, and it will become endless, as here it is the condition greater than 0, as the numbers which are greater than 1 are always greater than 0, they are known as natural number. And here it is written I plus plus, so it will increment the value and this loop will never end. Now our next topic is reasons for infinite loop. First one, the given condition never becomes false. Now the second, there is no condition in the infinite looping statement. Now types of looping statement. Previous one was of types of loops, but it is types of looping statement. Now here the first one is entry level conditional statement. Now here the first one for, and the second one is while. Friends, here I have put the bracket because in this bracket only when you will execute it in the program, then here you will put the condition, as the name also given here as conditional statement. So here you will put the condition. I have not here put the condition as we have no condition here, so I have put only the bracket. And then second one is exit level conditional statement. Here there is only one, that is do while. And here friends, keep in mind the case. Here F will not be capital, here W will not be capital, and here D and W both will not be capital, it will be single only. And friends, here you can see that it is entry level, as it is given in the starting of the program, normally in the starting, but as it is written here as exit level, as it is given after the bracket, means when the condition executes then it comes. So friends, next video will be based on difference between types of looping statement. So if you liked my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.